Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your laptop is online and your user account is unlocked. This avoids interruptions during sign-in. Once done, open the Start menu on Windows or Finder on Mac OS and type OneDrive to locate the app quickly. You should have your Microsoft account email and password ready because OneDrive prompts immediately. If it's a work or school account, use those credentials. This step gets you straight into the app without retries, so pause to confirm connection and credentials before moving on. You'll be guided through the sign-in screens. Enter your Microsoft email, click Next, then type your password and complete any multi-factor prompts. Once authenticated, OneDrive asks which folders you want to sync. Pick only the folders you need to save bandwidth and disk space. Make sure to choose the OneDrive folder location or accept the default under your user profile so paths are predictable. If your laptop has limited storage, enable Files on Demand so files appear, but download only when you open them. You finish by verifying sync status. Look at the OneDrive icon in the system tray or menu bar. A blue cloud or green check means you're good. Then open the synced folder in File Explorer or Finder to confirm files, show the expected overlay icons, and open correctly. If something fails, try restarting the OneDrive app first, because that often clears temporary errors. If problems persist, make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that your internet connection and firewall allow OneDrive traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.